Hi, today we're going to make a recipe from our Cooking with Fire cookbook. So you know the drill, like, share, subscribe, and let's get going right into making the pizza. So I'm using the Patrick Ryan sourdough pizza dough as my base.
And the name of this recipe is the Kotipelto pizza. And as Lori said, we're using the Patrick Ryan sourdough for the base, the crust. We're using Heinz ketchup to your taste as the sauce. And then we have 4 ounces of cooked ground beef as a topping. And then at the end, we have some really nice sliced cherry tomatoes that we'll put on once the pizza comes out. So let's have some fun and make something good.
Something different.
And on the heat management side, I've had the oven on for 30 minutes and I just turned it down to low. And this is our standard cooking temperatures now. And one thing I want to point out is you'll notice that Lori is pressing out the pizza and building it on a separate surface. We no longer build our pizzas on our peel. We find that this is a better process for us, and when we transfer it to the wood peel, as you'll see shortly, it tends not to stick because the period of time that the pizza's on the peel is a very short period of time. And Lori also likes me to use finely ground semolina flour to provide the ball bearings so that the pizza slides.
So it's just a 3-ingredient pizza. Pretty simple. And most people have ground beef in their refrigerator.
This may be the first pizza I ever had with ketchup.
Well, kind of misshapen it, but that's okay. Pizzas taste the same.
Okay. Successful launch.
Get this out of the way.
Okay. And today I'm turning and retrieving with the 14-inch Ooni metal peel. It's non-perforated, as you can see. And this peel has become my turning and retrieving peel of choice because I can inspect the pizza when I take it out to turn, and I can make sure I do a 180-degree turn before I put it back in.
Looks like the ketchup can.
Go some more?
Yeah, a little bit. Might be okay, huh?
Okay. Here, excuse me a little bit.
Sorry.
Since it's a little bit oblong, I want to put it that way. And you want to put the...
And then you just top it with some cherry tomatoes. Whoop, I guess I should do it this. And they said 5 cherry tomatoes, according to the recipe. But I think you can always put more, depending on how much you like it.
So, here you go. A Kotipelto pizza from the Ooni Cooking with Fire cookbook. We just got done cooking this pizza, the Kotipelto pizza, which is a recipe in the Ooni Cooking with Fire cookbook. And so, we've let it cool. Now we're going to cut it, and we're going to taste it, and we're going to let you know our thoughts. So, first of all, we already have some thoughts already about the elongated shape and those type of things, but that doesn't necessarily change the taste. So the taste is what's important. So let's see what we get here. Oh, nice thin crisp crust.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, Lori, you want to take a piece?
Okay.
And again, this is a Patrick Ryan sourdough crust. We use Heinz ketchup as the sauce. And then we had 4 ounces of cooked ground beef, which we put on the top. And when the pizza was done, we took it out of the oven, and then Lori dressed it with these really nice cherry tomatoes.
So I guess I'll put a cherry tomato on my bite.
There you go.
Interesting.
Kind of like eating a hamburger. But first, definitely, clearly, one thing, we love this Patrick Ryan sourdough crust, and it's got that crispness that we like when we cook it. So that's really good. All right, now I'll take my bite with the tomato. All right, well, I got my thoughts. You want to give your thoughts?
I think the ketchup is too pronounced. I think maybe I should have used less ketchup.
Okay.
And you know what? I might make it more of a cheeseburger pizza. Maybe put some sliced cheese on it, and maybe even top it with a little, arugula, maybe.
Yeah, we're arugula fans. Definitely the.
Or even just some chopped lettuce.
So, I'll give it a B in taste. Aesthetically, I'll give it a C. We kind of got a misshapen pie and all that, but as you pizza makers know, it may not look good, but it often tastes good, and this one does taste good. But I do like the enhancements that you're thinking about. Putting some cheese on it, I think, would be a nice addition. For me, the ketchup's okay. I like ketchup, so that's not as...
I guess it's unexpected. You don't expect to have ketchup on your pizza.
This is the first pizza that I know of that I ever had that had ketchup on it. So, I don't know. I think, so my takeaway is we got some work to do, but we should try another one of these and maybe try some enhancements.
Okay.
What do you think? Okay, well, that's the rest of the story. And feel free to follow us on Instagram, 12th Avenue Cuisine. We make it as easy as we can. All you have to remember is 12th Avenue Cuisine. So that's the rest of the story. Till next time.
Bye.
Bye.